Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can find and go to the strip club in your GTA San Andreas game. So to go to a strip club in your GTA San Andreas game, firstly in your map you need to find this rooster icon or bell kind of icon right here. After you have found it, you need to come here and you need to take a straight, then a right and a straight a bit more until you come to my location right here. After you come to my location, you will see the Big Pen logo, and in here you just need to walk inside this door right here. Now I can't actually show you what's inside here, but as you can see I'm inside the strip club and you can visit the strip club in here. So that's how you guys can go to the strip club in your GTA San Andreas game. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys want us to cover, then please comment it down below and we will do so for you guys. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.